saver the spenders, welcome back to my channel. So, since I can't control myself, I did a last minute purchase before the year end. And welcoming 2026, I'll be having a new nice pieces to add to my wardrobe. Okay, so the first one is this Lou camera bag by Saint Laurent. So I've been wanting this bag ever since I saw it in, I think, even before the pandemic, but I didn't buy it. So of course price keeps on increasing, and then every time I go to the boutique, I didn't I'm still having a doubt. That's why I didn't buy it, because it looks big on me, the other colors, the beige one, and then the black is nice, but then I thought I have a lot of black, or I can find a black bags with a cheaper price but with good quality leather. So the color of the bag that I wanted is this caramel brown, but it's very difficult to find it here. And so since I got the chance to travel to Europe, and we have a few hours layover in France, in the Paris airport, so I've decided, why not just buy it, because at least there's a tax-free, and yeah, it's tax-free, and it's from Paris, so that's the thing. And so I bought it. I just didn't get the chance to ask the sales lady to give me the box. So, but anyway, it doesn't matter because I'll not be using the box. But I'm just happy that I bought this one. So this may not be trendy now, because I think it's past its time. But for me, it doesn't matter. I'm not more into trends. I'm more into pieces that I like. Based on my personality and how I wanted to, you know, dress up, because sometimes I wanted to dress up, sometimes I'm just more into casual looks. So I think this is the best bag for me. So I'm more into crossbody bags actually. So yeah, this is the one. I haven't used it yet, but of course I'll be using it maybe starting tomorrow or starting January 1. Okay, then after that, I've seen this bag online because it's on sale. It really looks good, and the price is not that expensive, but the quality is good. So it's similar with the Miu Miu vibe. Yeah, it has the Miu Miu vibe. So this is the Marge Sherwood, made in Korea, and I've been using it since yesterday. So it's 2 days now that I've been using. Oh, it feels a lot. So I have here my small how do you call this one, tumbler. Yeah, and then cover back, so it fits a lot, and it's really nice actually. It fits a lot of things. So this is it, and you don't need to break a bank when you're buying this one. It smells leather also. It's a suede. So that's the second one. And this one I didn't plan to buy it, but because of the size, I kept control, and I just use my card to pay for it. So this is the DEMELLIER. Is it DEMELLIER? Sometimes I'm hearing people say DEMELLIER, so I'll just copy it. So this is the DEMELLIER, and the size fits perfectly for my petite frame, because I'm small, and it's not that large, it's not that small. So this is good for office work, especially if you want it to be more of a sophisticated office vibe, corporate girl. So I think this fits, this suits my, maybe it's perfect for, let's say, if you're going for interview, or meeting with the clients. Yeah. So, and also good thing here is that it has the strap. Look, I haven't removed it yet. So I'll be using this 2026 onwards. So maybe in this year, this will be my 3 go-to bags. So that I'll be using one for the casual wear, like let's say when I just wanted to go out, and then business casual, formal office work or formal days. But you can just switch it on. It depends on what you're wearing. So yeah, that's all. So that's all, guys. And okay, why I'm showing you this, by the way, okay, I just wanted to show that, well, we can buy pieces that we like. It doesn't matter if it's trendy or not, as long as it makes us happy without breaking, of course, the bank. So by next year, I don't think I'll be buying new bags because I bought already a lot. For me, it's a lot already. So maybe I'll have to wait for 3 more years before buying a new bag. So I think this is all enough. And in my next video, we'll just see what fits in it. Buying this bag makes me happy. Why? Because I find the perfect size for me. It's neither small, neither big. It's just exactly for my frame. And the color also is very classic. These are the colors of the bag that I really like. This kind of shade, this caramel brown, also this dark brown. Yeah, I'm not into pop colors because I'm not very good in fashion. I'm more into a casual, I prefer to dress up casually like that. So this suits my personality. So when we buy bags, I would suggest, of course, everybody has their own preferences, but if you have to look into your personality or how you dress up, yeah, it's more of the personality. Actually, you have to look into it, because before I used to buy things that later on I don't use or wear because it's not me. So it's better that when you buy something, regardless of whether it's trendy or non-trendy, buy it as long as you have the means to buy it, right? You don't need to think of what other people say, but it's something you think will elevate your look and will give a smile to your face when you are wearing it. That's what matters most. And this is how I'm ending my 2025 spending on buying bags after saving, and looking forward to 2026 to appreciate these items and enjoy it and keep it maintained to last longer. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let's meet again in my next vlog.